stopping all the time. I have. I've been up at bloody strugglers.
No, it's,
got a pint of bloody pedigree. Yeah, I'm 5.3% up there. Can't drink that. All of it have it. Pedigree's gone down as well. So I'm on the old liquid bloody liquid stuff.
Don't try and nick your cock.
So hard to go into medicine together.
Have you been with it? No. Oh, bloody well,
He's laughing his bloody socks off.
he's going to put me all night.
Go on here, I'll go straight to bed and that with me finish it, go home. Just sit and go for a walk, look at your car.
You walking home. Try and get rid of the fucking hiccups.
I hate it when I get like this, I get eaten. Try the whole you can't get shut in it.
That's 3 words in one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Someone on your back.
I've done all. I've tried
Tried to frighten him. The dread fight. Tried to frighten him.
Tried to frighten me. I've held my breath. I've got sugar. No matter what you're doing. Not when I got one that. It's like, once I get it, there's no stopping it. I'm telling you.
Try and close your mouth.